Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, and I am back with another designer dupe like luxury haul for you guys. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So these are some items that I picked out from a brand called fashionkicks.ru. They reached out to me and they wanted to send me over some stuff. So of course I was like, let me take advantage of some luxury items that I know I wanted and wanted to try out, but I'm not too sure if I actually wanted to purchase these items or not. So let's just start with the bag. So if you guys have been watching my channel before, you guys have seen in my like luxury haul videos or like my YSL video that I did of my college medium bag that I've been wanting a YSL bag. I wanted the Toy Lulu, but I wanted it in a small, and on their website they actually carry the Toy Lulu, but they have it in a medium, so they sent me over the medium size. So let's get into it. So as you guys can see, it comes with a box, so you get that feeling of you just got yourself a YSL bag. Okay, and then also included is a dust bag. So you get a dust bag with your purse, and this is what the purse looks like. So it's this one. I feel like on camera it doesn't look too bad, but in person it doesn't look too bad either. But as someone who owns a real YSL bag, I can actually tell that it is replica, but I don't feel like it's too bad of a replica. So right away, the quality of the bag, for some people it might not be too bad, but for someone who knows this bag, like I said, this is the bag I want, but I want it in the small size. For someone who actually knows the bag, I know the leather of the bag feels way more softer than this does, and it just looks more plush. This isn't bad. It doesn't have a smell or anything like that, but just for me personally, that's someone who knows what the real one looks like. I just know that this isn't spot on, but it's one of those things where it's like you can get away with it. The hardware of it is slightly off. The color, the gold color, it's a little too bronzy. Like the gold's a little off. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the only things I didn't like. I feel like the leather could have been a little bit better, and the gold detailing of it could have been a little better, but it's spot on with like the size and how it looks. So you have the actual YSL detailing. They actually put the YSL detailing on the handles as well. So you have that, and then it pulls up so you can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. Like I said, I actually want the small size because the medium's a little big on me. So yeah, but other than that, it's a cute bag, you know. Also it does have the YSL detailing on there, and then you just open it up. Has the YSL detailing on the button, and then of course there is space inside, and it has YSL in there, and it has all the same compartments as the real bag. So for someone who doesn't know exactly like what the real bag looks like, they would think you had the real deal. And it's not bad for a replica. So that's the bag. And then also included with it, they did put like receipts, which was very funny. They added in receipts, and then also in here there was a authenticity card. So the zipper on here too, I didn't really like the zipper. I'm struggling a little bit with the zipper, so that's a complaint. And then it comes with like the card inside. So overall, I mean, that's not too bad. And they had a lot of different purses on their website. Like they had Chanel, Burberry, YSL, Louis Vuitton. They had everything for the girls. Let me see. Back that up some. It's not too bad. I might even wear it today. It's not too bad. So that's the purse I picked out because it's a purse I actually wanted, and so I got to try it out. Honestly, I still want the small size, but I feel like the medium's more practical because it does include more space. So it does make like a good everyday bag for the medium. So there's that. You get a dust bag and everything included. So let's move on to the shoes I picked out. You guys know I've been into Yeezys. You guys saw from my last replica video that I picked out a pair of Yeezy slides, foam runners to be specific. So I did pick out some again from this company, and I just got them in like the bone color. So here it is. Like, they did it like spot on with the box, says foam runner. These are the shoes. So this time I did get them in a 6 because last time I got this shoe in a 5 and it fits a little tight and snug, but honestly it does fit me. So now that I got these in a 6, they're too big for me. Even when I put on socks with these, they're too big, but the shoe itself looks really good. The quality of it feels good. They do have like the Adidas sign on the bottom. The cushion on it's good. Like, you know, they include the tag. So like I said, if you know somebody that doesn't mind replica items, if you yourself don't mind replica items, then I recommend. But after trying out the size 5 and the size 6, I now know that a 5 is good for my feet, and I actually do like how the foam runners look and feel on my feet. So I actually would want a real pair of these. I wouldn't mind. These are really cute. Okay, and then next I've also been really wanting a pair of like actual Yeezy sneakers. So I picked out these. These are the Yeezy, let's get this right. These are the Yeezy 450s, and it's in the dark slate color. I got a 5.5, which ended up being a good fit for me. But I do wish I ordered these in the cloud color because the black is such, you know, it's cute, but it's more of a harsher color in my opinion. That's just my personal preference. But I would have, I would have definitely got like the cloud. But these are actually super comfortable. They remind me of my Adidas Oswegos that I've had for like 3 years, and I wear them to death. So they actually feel like that shoe. Like, it's super comfortable. Like I said, they do like the tag details so that it looks legit. And I had went to look at these the other day in person, like the real shoe, and this does look spot on, and it feels the same. Like, even the shoelaces, the detail of this shoe is really good. So the only thing is I wish I got it in the cloud color instead, but I'll still wear these, you know, I don't mind. So here's both of them. So the back, the side of them, like, they look spot on, legit. Like, that's what's crazy about these. So yeah, they also had a ton of different shoes on the website. They have different options. Like, they have a bunch of different Yeezy options. They have like all the colors and stuff. Like I said, even with the bags, like they had bags, wallets, shoes. They had so many different options to choose from of what you like on their website. So it's like you might be on there shopping for a minute trying to figure out what you like, and then see, even the inside has like Yeezy. Like, it's really spot on. That's really crazy. And they're super comfortable on, you know, no issues with that. So yeah, guys, I actually do pretty much recommend the website. I will have all of their information for the website linked in the description box below, plus a $10 off code so you can shop the website and also save a little bit of money. Like I said, there is so many options on this website, so you do want to look into it. Like I said, there's Yeezy, there's Burberry, like any designer that you can think of, they have on this website. So yeah, and like I said, the quality is just spot on. Like, look at that. It legit looks like the real shoe. Like, the color, everything, like the color isn't off. Like, they actually did really good with this shoe. So yeah, can't wait to wear these and try them out. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the other ones since they are a little too big on me. But yeah, guys, make sure you check out fashionkicks.ru. Everything will be in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.